guys, it's Dina with Dinner Made Easy with Dina. Today I have a really tasty southern dish that I want to share with you. You can use it as a side dish or as a main dish. Either way, it's absolutely wonderful. This is a recipe that we've had in my family and I want to share it with yours. So stay tuned, enjoy the video, and give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying it. So you guys enjoy the video. Okay, the first thing that we're doing is we make sure that that cabbage is washed up really well, which I did, and then I cut it into half and then into quarters. Once it's cut into quarters, make sure that you cut that core out because that's pretty tough and it doesn't taste very good. You can chop it however you like. If you want to chop it large, great, small, great. I just made a medium chop with it. Next, we have a large onion. I just cut the ends off and I diced it up kind of in a chunkier dice. And I have 3 potatoes and I've chopped those potatoes up and I made those chunks about 1/4 inch, as you can see there. And the next thing, we've got 3 pieces of bacon. I sliced in half and then I just made slices with that, and then separate that bacon out the best that you can before you throw it into the skillet. And that's going to be the next step for that. Then we got our sausage and my kielbasa here. I cut it in half and then I'm slicing it. I tried to kind of slice it about 1/4 inch. You can slice it however large you want. There it is. Now that's all prepped up and ready. And the next thing we're going to do is I got some garlic cloves, and we like a lot of garlic, so I chopped up 5 cloves, but chop however much you want. And I heated my skillet up. Pour some olive oil in there just to keep everything from sticking. Put the bacon in and make sure that you're separating that bacon out. Now you can do the next step all together if you want, or do it like I did where I cooked the bacon separately. Then I added in my sausage and I just stir that in until we get a nice brown on the sausage. And then as you can see, we're starting to get that color on there. Then we removed it to a paper towel. And make sure that we leave all the nice oils in there. Those are really flavorful and we don't want that going anywhere. Next is the onion. We toss the onion in and then we cook the onion up and then put the potatoes in after the onions have gotten a little bit soft. And we want to salt that a little bit and pepper it, but just be careful with the salt. Now, when the potatoes are feeling like they're still a little bit solid, I cooked about halfway through, I would say. Then we're going to go in with, there we go, see? And we go in with our garlic because we don't want to burn the garlic. So we put the garlic in, give that a nice stir. Make sure you're kind of getting that stuff off the bottom there, that's all flavors. Then the cabbage goes in. And then with the cabbage, we're going to put 1 cup of chicken broth. So that's why you want to be careful with that salt. And then cover it and let it sit there and steam a little bit. Now, depending on how thick you've cut your cabbage is how quickly it will cook. And the potatoes will continue to cook. Just stir it every once in a while. Then you're going to go ahead and top it off with the sausage and the bacon. And then just put the lid on it. That's going to add more flavor to the cabbage. After a couple minutes, come back, stir that all in together. And then you're just going to make sure that it's turned kind of low so that it continues to steam and cook until the cabbage is tender and the potatoes are done. Oh, that looks so good. There you go. Now you can flavor this however you want to. We just did salt, pepper, and garlic. And there it is, the final product, and we're going to give it a taste. So if you guys haven't tried Southern style fried cabbage before, you need to give this one a try. It's excellent and it's a one-pot wonder. I mean, seriously, you gotta try this. It is so good. This is outstanding. Super easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I promise you. This is a really good go-to, and I don't know anybody in my family that doesn't enjoy it. So give it a shot. You guys, thank you so much for sticking with me and watching the videos with me. If you're enjoying these, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And you guys have a really good rest of your evening. See you next time.